few examples of cultural refugia that I include in my book come in the form of culinary expressions from cultures that offer us ecological wisdom we can apply in the present. Some of the cultures that I include recipes from include the Mayan people, the people of the Triple Alliance, the people of the eastern woodlands of Turtle Island, people from Laos, Ethiopia, Morocco, and Japan. Those forms of cultural refugia expressed in culinary expressions can be made into biocultural refugia through growing your own ingredients for the recipes in this book, saving seeds from them, and then sharing them in your local community, thereby increasing biodiversity while sharing cultural wisdom from the past. For those looking to expand your regenerative knowledge and apply it in your local community, I highly suggest checking out Matt Power's Advanced Permaculture Student Online course and Regenerative Entrepreneurs and Experts. As I was writing recipes for Reciprocity, I found the knowledge shared in those courses and the networks that I connected with to be invaluable. Here's to a 2025 when we plant the seeds of ancestral knowledge within the fertile soils of the present to create a harvest of abundance, integrity, ecological literacy, and resilience for future generations.